Hello friends, hope you are in sound health and mind, and we were on this chapter area of triangle, and we were supposed to finish this chapter, but fortunately or unfortunately I received some mails requesting me to solve a sum, not very tough, but somebody faced difficulty to solve this, so I will finish this chapter by solving one and only sum. That's why what I am going to do now. And in this context, I once again thank you who has liked my channel and will subscribe my channel, and I request you again to more and more like my channel and subscribe, so that I can give you some proper guidance, and I will be encouraged if you do so. So now, here is the sum. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle, and the length of these two sides, AB and BC, are respectively 18 centimeter and 24 centimeter. ABC is a right angle triangle where B is the right angle and AB is the perpendicular, BC is the base. Now AB's value is given 18 centimeter and BC's value is given 24 centimeter, and a perpendicular was also given, named BD. A perpendicular drawn from the right angular point. You know the right angle point here, D. This right angular point, from the right angular point to the on the hypotenuse itself, and its length is BD. And what we are required to find out, that is the length of BD. For these clues, from these clues, AB's length and BC's length, we are required to find out the length of this perpendicular drawn from the right angular point to the hypotenuse, that is on AC. The line is drawn BD, perpendicular on AC. So here these two sides, as you told you several times, area of triangle, there are two basic formulas. One is half into base into height, and the another was Heron's formula, and it told like this: S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square unit. So those basic formulas were there, and depending on the sum, we were to use these two formulas only. And here also you see that this AB length is perpendicular of the triangle, and we can easily take it as the height, and BC is the base of the triangle ABC. We can take it as base BC, so we can easily find out the area of the triangle ABC. Now what is given here? AB equal to 18, BC equal to 24. BC equal to 24 centimeter. So what we require to find out? Length of BD. Length of BD we don't know. We are required to find out the length of BD. It is the perpendicular on the hypotenuse AC. Now the area of ABC equal to half into base 24 into height equal to 216 square centimeter. Half into base into height 216 square centimeter. Now the question comes to why we have derived the area of ABC, because for any sum, as I told you earlier, that there should be a motive. If what we are doing, why we are doing so. So here the motive is, our main motive is to find out the value of BD, and BD is very much within this triangle, and you see that BD is also a perpendicular, and it is the perpendicular on AC. AC is the hypotenuse here, and BD is another perpendicular. AB was perpendicular, BD was another perpendicular on whom? AC. And what I told you, in any case, in any triangle, the perpendicular on the line on which the perpendicular falls, line on which the perpendicular falls is to be taken as the base. Here the AB is the perpendicular, it falls on the line BC, so BC we took it as base. And you can imagine there also, and just tilt you a bit, then you will get BD is the height. If you take BD is the height, where BD falls on AC, so AC may be taken as a base also, and where from we will get an area also, and there the BD was unknown, so we can equate it with this numerical value and easily get the value of bit. So again I repeat, why we derive the area of the whole triangle ABC from this given clue very easily, because we have the motive that we will, in some alternate way, using this BD, we will derive another area. It will contain BD unknown, and then we will equate this with this, and we will easily derive the length of BD. Because where the perpendicular in any triangle where the perpendicular falls, that line, on which line, that line is to be taken as the base. So if you take it like this, BD falls on AC, BD, so BD can be taken again as height. This triangle has two heights. One was AB, what we used earlier. Now for this position, BD is another height because it falls on AC, and AC will be taken as base. So it has two bases as well. One was BC, now another one was AC. That's the interesting point of this sum, and that's why some people have requested me to solve the problem. And now from ABC, what we told that for this triangle BD was height and AC was the base, but BD is unknown to us, AC is also still now unknown to us. So our first duty is to find out the value of AC, and it is very, very easy. As you know, we use Pythagoras theorem. And what it told? It told that a hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus bases squared, so we can easily find out the value of AC. So here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC equal to AB 18 square plus BC 24 square equal to 324 plus 24 into 24, 576 equal to 900. 18 square 324 plus 24 square 576 equal to 900. So AC square was that value, have that value, and so AC equal to, so AC equal to root over 900 equal to 30 centimeter. So we can easily find out the value of AC because we needed the value of AC to derive the another area of the triangle in some other way using this BD. So AC and BD was required, BD is unknown to us, and AC was also unknown to us, but we can easily find out the value of AC. Now it is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So now another ABC, area of ABC in another way was half into what was the base. As I told you earlier, like that AC is the base, BD is the height. So AC into BD equal to half into 30 into BD. BD is unknown to us. So 15 BD. 15 into BD is the area. Now we can equate these with these because the area of one and only triangle ABC cannot be different. Area is always the same. By which way you derive, it should be same. So we have derived from directly 216 and now we derive indirectly. It is 15 into BD. So we can equate this easily. So 15 BD equal to so by the problem 15 into BD equal to 216, I suppose. 216, what we derived half into 24 into 18. 12 into 216. So BD equal to 216 by 15. BD equal to 215 by 16. So 72 by 5 or 14.4 centimeter. So I once again repeat, I think it has been clear to you, all of you, but once again I am repeating, there is a right angle triangle. From this angular point there is a perpendicular BD on the hypotenuse AC, and the given perpendicular was 18 centimeter and the BC's length was 24 centimeter. So first of all, what we did, we derived the area of ABC because the base and perpendicular was given numerically, so it was 216 square centimeter. Easily we found out. Now the question was, what was the length of the BD, and we wanted to derive the area of the triangle in some other way, because in any perpendicular on which line it falls, it was taken at base. So if we tilt this board, then we got AC as the base, BD is the height, but AC was also unknown to us. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to 18 square plus 24 square, we found out that AC's value was 30 centimeter. So now only BD was unknown. So the area of the triangle ABC in the second way was half into base 30 into BD. So 15 BD. So 15 BD was the area we derived in some other way, and directly what we find out, it was 216 square centimeter, and that should always be equal because a triangle cannot have different areas, two different areas. So 15 into BD was 216 and BD equal to 14.4 centimeter length. I think that session has been helpful to you, and I once again request you, if you find any problem with this chapter also, I will later go through this chapter again. If you face any problem, and please let me know by using my mail number and my telephone number as well. You are always welcome to telephone me or mail me. My mail number utpalgangopadhyay@gmail.com. I have given you earlier, but once again I am giving utpalgangopadhyay utpalgangopadhyay@gmail.com, and my telephone number, mobile number is 943316096. 943316096. That's my mobile number. So you can easily contact me if you face any sort of problem. You can anytime contact me. I don't mind. I will try always to help you in this regard. And the next day we will be starting with area of quadrilateral, that is trapezium, rhombus, square, rectangle, parallelogram, etc., etc. So that's all for today. I again thank you.